Welcome to the city that never sleeps. Get ready to experience the energy and excitement of New York City like a true local. From the iconic Statue of Liberty to the dazzling lights of Times Square, we'll be exploring the city's most famous landmarks. But this is more than just a tourist tour. We'll uncover hidden gems, secret spots, and local favorites, helping you avoid the tourist traps and discover the real heart of NYC. Forget the tourist traps and overpriced restaurants. NYC's food scene is a diverse and delicious adventure. Start with the iconic bodega, a neighborhood staple for cheap eats and quick bites. Then, grab a slice from a local pizzeria, where you'll find the real New York pizza experience. But the culinary journey doesn't stop there. Explore the vibrant neighborhoods, each offering a unique taste of the world. From Chinatown's dim sum and dumplings to Little Italy's pasta and pizza, and the spicy flavors of Koreatown, you'll discover a melting pot of deliciousness. Need a break from the city's hustle and bustle? New York City's parks offer a welcome escape. Central Park, a sprawling green oasis in the heart of Manhattan, is perfect for a picnic, a leisurely stroll, or a bike ride. For unique city views and a touch of urban greenery, explore the High Line, an elevated park built on former railway tracks. And if you're looking for a relaxing afternoon, head to Bryant Park, where you can play chess, enjoy a book, or simply soak up the sun. New York City isn't just about Broadway shows. Dive into its rich cultural scene and discover hidden treasures beyond the tourist trail. Visit world-renowned museums like the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Met, or the Museum of Modern Art, MoMA, for awe-inspiring art and history. Explore Chelsea's vibrant art galleries, showcasing the work of emerging and established artists. And for a dose of free entertainment, catch a live concert in a local park, where you can enjoy the city's musical talent under the open sky. New York City's magic lies in its diverse neighborhoods, each with its own personality and charm. Head to Williamsburg, Brooklyn, and experience its trendy vibes, with hip cafes, independent boutiques, and a vibrant street art scene. In Greenwich Village, stroll through cobblestone streets, discover historic landmarks, and enjoy the bohemian atmosphere. For a taste of artistic energy, explore the East Village, known for its alternative culture, live music venues, and edgy street style. Each neighborhood offers a unique window into the heart and soul of New York City.